Did you actually eat some of the Kong plastic off? What? You... Shiloh, you are crazy amazing. You are an amazing puppy. You know that? You are just absolutely amazing. You are so strong. How did you get to be so strong? It must be because you come from an amazing breeder that made sure you had everything necessary to be a strong and productive puppy in life. Right? Right? Speak!